Hi again, it's Rob, the 8-Bit Maniac, again with another tutorial on the Quigs coding. So let's just pull up Quigs, and today I want to show you the menu bar system. So if we set up a new project, and like before, I set the output directory as my USB so that I can use it on Symbos. Okay, done. Okay, if I go to form, along the top line there, most applications will have a menu bar, and this is how we do it in Quigs. On the right hand side there's an edit menu bar button. We click on that and we get the form menu editor. So there's nothing in there at the minute, so if I just click on the end I can insert a few items, and let's just fill those in. So I put in 6 empty slots. Okay, let's make the first one file, and the next one I want something to be a child of file, so let's call that open, like you might in a normal application. And if I click the arrows to the right, you'll see that it actually becomes a child of the file system. And let's do that with the next one. Let's call that new, and we'll do that across, and the next one we call close, and we'll do that. And here we can have, say, edit and under there we can say paste, and click that across like that. So also you can add sort of breaks in the line as well. So if I click there and insert another couple of items, I can put, if I just put a dash there and click it across, that becomes a line, and you'll see when I run it what it does. And we can just change that last one to paste, copy. These obviously don't do anything at the minute. Let me just change that to a capital so it looks good. I click done, and now if I just compile this just to see what it looks like in Symbos, I'll drop that down. We'll open up WinApe. I do my special little snapshot trick where I pull in the, there we go, and there's our form, and there's our file and edit. If we click on file, you'll see open, new, close, and on edit, paste. You see the line there, and then there's copy. But how do we actually get WinApe to use these? Well, let's just close that form down, and we'll go back into the editor, and we'll do a little program. So let's create a button. So create a button, and this button we're going to maybe edit one of the drop downs. Let's do, if we look at the menu again, let's say we can alter the paste. So we can do a number of things. We can actually make something active or inactive, and we can actually put a little check by it as well. So let's put a check by paste and leave it active as we are there. Click done. So if I click on button now, I can create a new little bit of code, and I can just alternate this. So if I can go into form 1 dot menu dot active dot set, because I wish to set the active part. Let's just check the number of the system there. So click on the form, click to the edit bar. So we're going to change copy, and that is menu item number 7. So I'll go back there, back into the code, menu set number 7, and we need to know what to set it to. So what we're going to do is try to alternate it so it toggles. Let's put form 1, menu again, active, and we're going to get the value, the current value of, if we look down here, it will show you that we have an item number and it will give you the item number out. So we're going to ask for number 7. It's a function, so we put in brackets. We're going to get that. We're going to +1, but because the number will generally be either 0 or 1, we're going to modulate that. So we'll put that around there. We'll put that into mod 2, so the result of this is always either 1 or 2. So now that's all we need to do for that. If we compile this, we drop that down again. Let's do our magic little snapshot. There we go, and there's our button. If we look at edit, our paste is ticked, but our copy is normal. If we click on button, if we go back into the edit, we'll see that copy has now become unselectable. But if we now click on button again, it's now selectable again. So another thing that we can do is actually make it go to a piece of code. So if I pull up Quigs again, let's create a little function. Let's go onto the form and create a label so that we can see that the function works. Just called label 1. So if we go back into the code, let's create a little function. Open label, and that's a void because we're not doing anything with it. It's just a function that's just going to do one thing. Okay, and we're just going to set label 1 text all set, and we're going to just say clicked open on menu. Okay, so we've got a function called open label. If we now go back to the form, and we go back to the form there, click on edit, we can go to open there, and if we just type in open, hang on again, I've forgotten what it was called. It was called open label. Back to the form, boom, edit, we can call, right, click on open and call the code open label, and there we go. If we click done, now we just recompile that again. We go back into WinApe, let's drop that down, magic snapshot, there we go, there's our label. And if I go up onto file, if I click open, clicked open on the menu. There you go, and that's how you use the menu bar system in the Quigs language. Please like, please subscribe. I need more than 2 viewers. Thanks a lot, see you next time, bye.